Hey, this is Pragya Shah, and today I am back with another book review. So, this book review is about a geochemistry book, and this is Geochemical Analysis by Rabindranath Hota. Now, this is just a practical book, not a theoretical book, and I will quickly go through the contents. Though this is not very prevalently practiced in the colleges, but this is a very good instruction book for lab work. So it starts with qualitative chemical analysis of minerals. So there are dry tests for basic radicals, closed tube test, open tube test, heating and charcoal activity in oxidizing flame, heating and charcoal activity in reducing flame, flame test, microcosmic bead test, borax bead test, wet confirmatory tests for basic radicals, tests for acid radicals, quantitative analysis of rocks and minerals, grinding of sample, opening of sample, estimation of SiO2 by gravimetric analysis, sodium carbonate fusion method, borate fusion method, estimation of Al2O3 by EDTA complexometry back titration method, estimation of iron, potassium dichromate method, potassium permanganate method, estimation of CaO, EDTA complexometry method, oxalate method, estimation of MgO, EDTA complexometry method, pyrophosphate method, estimation of Na2O and K2O, estimation of stock solution, estimation of Na2O by titrimetry method, estimation of K2O by titrimetry method, flame photometry, estimation of Na2O and K2O by flame photometry, estimation of TiO2 by ferric ammonium sulfate titration method, estimation of MnO by permanganate method, estimation of P2O5 by Wilson method, estimation of water. Okay, estimation of water crystallization H2O plus by Penfield's tube, estimation of absorbed water H2O minus, estimation of CO2, estimation of sulfur, estimation of fluorine, estimation of chlorine by Volhardt's method, estimation of loss of ignition LOI. Then there is analysis of ores and minerals, estimation of antimony in antimony ore, arsenic in arsenic ore, cobalt in cobalt ore, chromium in chromite, iron in iron ore, FeS2 in pyrite, manganese in manganese ore, molybdenum in molybdenum ore, estimation of nickel in nickel ore, okay, from sulfide ores and oxidized ores, estimation of copper, lead, zinc in polymetallic ore, separation of stock solutions, estimation of copper by sodium thiosulfate, and all those processes are there. Estimation of tin in tin ore, titanium in titanium ore, vanadium, tungsten, zirconium, BaSO4, CaF2, CaSO4.2H2O, CaO, and P2O5 in apatite. Analysis of coal, proximate analysis, ultimate analysis, estimation of calorific value, CV of coal. Analysis of water sample, instruments for water analysis, ion pH meter, spectrophotometer, water analyzer kit, estimation of aluminium by adiochrome cyanide R spectrophotometric method, estimation of calcium by EDTA titrimetry, estimation of carbonate and bicarbonate, estimation of chloride, estimation of hexavalent chromium, determination of color of water sample by UV spectrophotometric method, estimation of cyanide, estimation of electrical conductivity meter, estimation of fluoride, and a lot of other things. Then we have soil sample estimation, analysis, sampling of soil, determination of physical parameters, chemical parameters, and air sample. This is one of the good books for analysis. Analysis has a very, all the analysis of, be it water, we have what? We have water, we have minerals, we have coal. We also have oil and gas, but oil and gas is not considered here. That's only one thing, that's analysis is not here, oil analysis, gas analysis. Otherwise, any all the other things, mineral, water, coal, all these things are covered in Geochemical Analysis by Rabindranath Hota. Okay, this is one of the good books for a geologist, not very not a very popular book, but a very good book for practical purposes. Okay, lab classes. So yeah, that is it. Go check it out. See you in the next video. Till then, tata.